Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adielah binti Muhammad Said. My matrix number is 1180779. I am from KME3. Now I would like to present investment portfolio assignment. The purpose of the investment to analyze the stock portfolio optimization and understand the various details with respect to different stocks before investing into it. It is also to improve my return and risk without investing the real money. I was given 100,000 ringgit and my return goals is 17%. The time period is 1 year, starting from 4 January 2021 until 31st December 2021. Stocks from 5 companies has been selected are based on first, various industries such as technology, consumer product and services, healthcare, transportation and logistics and plantation. Next, based on Sharia compliance company, and the last one is the companies that shows the best performance in a year. I choose 5 companies which are Agritech Technology Berhad, Tafi Industry Berhad, IHH Healthcare Berhad, Harbolink Group Berhad, and FGV Holdings Berhad. All the company was given 20% for the weight. Next sheet shows the return and risk. This is a historical data of price and return for 5 stocks. All the historical data was taken from investor.com. Next, the calculation of expected return, variance, standard deviation, correlation, covariance matrix, and CAPM. All of this calculated using a formula. Then, this is a risk calculation that consists risk-free rate, beta, risk premium, and CAPM. Beta of each company referred at investor.com. Meanwhile, risk-free rate and risk premium was derived from market risk premia. Both rates was taken on October 2021. So to find CAPM, I used a CAPM formula. The purpose of the CAPM to evaluate whether a stock is fairly valued when its risk and the time values of money are compared to its expected return. Next, portfolio optimization. All the data was taken from previous sheet, so let's focus to the portfolio optimization. So this table was using solver formula that consists expected return, weight, 1 contract, portfolio return, portfolio variance, and portfolio standard deviation. So the purpose of solver is to find an optimal, which are maximum or minimum value for a formula in one cell. So as we can see, this is my new weight for each company. Next is efficient frontier. So this is my efficient frontier. This graph need to set a target using a portfolio in this box. The target that I use based on expected return. I use the highest and the lowest data. I also use portfolio return in this graph. So this is the lowest curve and this is the upper curve. Upper curve is more profitable rather than lower curve. So we need to invest in upper curve. Next is my stock investment performance. So at the beginning of investment, I use 100,000 ringgit and the market value at the end of my investment is 140,985.56 cents. So trade fees is based on Kenanga trading platform. Total cost of each stock allocated according to the optimized weighted portfolio that I use in here. So the total gain is 40,185.56 cents for the 5-stock portfolio started for January 2021 until 31st December 2021. So with the total cost for each stock allocated according to the optimized weighted portfolio, I managed to minimize risk and gain 41%, which is beyond the expectation of the return goals, which are 70% that I have been set up from the early period. Next is valuation performance of Sharp, Trainer, and Alpha Jensen. So first is Sharp ratio analysis. Sharp ratio 2 to 299 considered very good. The higher the Sharp, the better its return has been relative to the amount of investment risk taken. But my Sharp ratio is considered not good. Second is Trainer ratio analysis. Higher Treno means a portfolio is a more suitable investment, but Treno values are based on past performance that may not be repeated in the future. Lastly is Alpha Jensen analysis, show the neutral performance, which is 0%, which its mean is not outperform and underperform. So this is all the company's historical data, Greater historical data, Tafi historical data, IHH historical data, Harbour historical data, FGV historical data, and that's all from me. Thank you.